Welcome students. Let we start a fourth unit. Unit number 4 Economic Law. Meaning of economic law. A law or a generalization is the establishment of a general truth on the basis of particular observation or experiments which traces out a casual relationship between two or more phenomena. But economic laws statements of a general tendency are a uniformities in the relationship between two or more economic phenomena. According to Marshall definition, economic law are a statement of economic tendency or the social law which relate to those branch of the conduct in which the strength of the motivative chiefly concerned can be measured by a money price. This is economic law. Meaning. Unit for economic law. Next, meaning of economic law and definitions of economic law. Let's we discuss about a introdu- Let's we discuss a introduction of Indian patent laws. The Patent Act 1970 along with the patent rights patent rules 1972, it came to force on 28th April 1972. Exactly for today, it is 48 years. It became 48 years for today. It means April 28th 2020. Yeah. By replacing the Indian Patents and Design Act 1911. The Indian Patent and Design Act. The act was largely based on the recommendation of the Iyengar Committee report. Iyengar Committee report were recommended to the Indian Patent Act. The headed by the Justice Rajagopal Iyengar. One of the recommendation was allowances of only processed patent, patent with regard to patent with regard to inven- invention related to drugs, medicines, foods and chemicals and etc. For anything new invention, it be anything we are new inventing a new, compulsory we should take a patent rights. Later, India became a India became a signatory. India became a signatory. Too many international arrangements with the objectives of a strengthening its patent law and claiming and coming in a legisl legis with the modern world. Legis with the modern world. One of the significant steps towards achieving this objective was becoming the member of the TRIPS. TRIPS full form is the Trade Related Intellectual Property Rights System. Okay. Next, next we discuss a meaning of patent. Meaning of patent. A patent is a legal document granted by a government giving the inventor giving the inventor the exclusive right to make, use, sell the invention for a specified number of the years. The patent are also available for significant improvement and previous invention item. It means in a simple, patents is given to the new invention. Person who inventing a new product like a train, mobile, electricity, drugs or any medicine item who are inventing a new product, they can they can receive a patent for making a commercial purpose by inventing and selling to the public. And next, WTO, World Trade Organization patent rules. What and all patent rules are there? Let's by see.
Let's see one by one. First, patent protection. Patent protection. First, WTO members to provide the protection for a minimum terms of a 20 years from a filling the date of patent application for any invention, including for the pharmaceutical products or a process prior to TRIPS agreements. Hmm. Next point, second point, the protection of data submitted for the registration of a pharmaceutical registration for a pharmaceutical items. The WTO members protect the undisclosed tested data, which and all undisclosed tested data submitted to the to drugs regulatory authorities for the purpose of the obtaining marketing approvals against the unfair commercial uses. It means the protection of a data, what and all data we provided to the registration officer, that should be protected by the WTO authorities. If in case they are releasing the any one any one of the items or any one instruction to those people, it is punishable under this act. Okay, next, transition period. The TRIPS agreement provide for the transition period, permitting permitting developing countries an additional time to bring changes additional time in a bring changes in a intellectual legislation and practice into a practice into a conf- practice into conformity practice into conformity with TRIPS. Okay. Next, provision of three main transitions. What and all three provisions? First, year first year 1995 to 2000. This period, this period at the end of which countries were required to implement the TRIPS agreements. Okay, this period of end of which countries were required to implement the TRIPS agreements. Next point, in a year 2000 to 2005, this period allowed this period allows certain countries to delay the providing products, patents, protection in areas of a technology that had not been. Next, third transition period. This period allows the least developed. This period allows the least developed countries, LDC, LDC, the least developed countries, until 2006 to until 2006 implement their obligations under the TRIP agreement in a view of their ecosystem, economic system, and cons- administrative constraint. The area, one minute. The area of intellectual properties, the area of intellectual property that it covers are: first, copyrights and related rights. Next, trademarks. Last, patents. Last, mm, under copyrights and related. First, copyrights, rights of performs, product of sound recording and broadcasting organization. Under copyrights, we can see the rights of perform, rights of performs, any kinds of perform, dance, acting, like that performs. Next, producer producer of a sound recording and a broadcasting organization, like a music records or as any audio records, like that copyrights will come. Next, trademarks include a marks. Trademarks include service marks. Geographical indications include applications of a or origin, application of origin, industrial designs, industrial designs. This includes the trademarks. First, geographical indication applications and industrial designs. This and all include in the trademarks. Next, we see patents. Patent include the protection of a patent include protection of a new varieties of a plants, new varieties of a plants. The layout designs, the layout designs of a integrated circuits, integrated circuits, and undisclosed information include trade secret and tested data. Undisclosed information includes trade secrets and tested data. The three main features of agreements: what enforcement, enforcement, dispute settlement, dispute settlement. First, we see what standards. What standards talk about? First, in respect of each main areas of a intellectual properties, in respect of each of main areas of intellectual properties covered by the TRIPS agreement. The agreement set out minimum standards of a protection. Agreement set out the main standards of a protection to be provided by each members. Each of the each of the main element of a protection is defined, namely namely the subject ma- subject matter to be protected, subject matter to be protected, the right to be conf- the right to be conferred and permissible confirm conferred and permissible expectation to those rights and minimum duration of the protection. Next, the agreements lay down certain general principles applicable to all applicable to all intellectual property rights. Enforcement producers, in addition, it contained provision on a civil and administrative producers and remedies, provisional measures, special requirements related to related to border related border measure and criminal and criminal procedures which specific in a certain amount of a deals. The producers, the procedures. Mone, the agreement laid down the certain principles applicable to all intellectual property rights. Enforcement procedures, enforcement procedures, enforcement procedures. In addition, it contained provision on a civil and administrative procedures and and remedies, provisional measures, specific special requirement related to border measures, border measures and criminal procedures with specific in a certain amount of deals. The procedures and remedies that must be available so that that right holders can effectively mm, holder can effectively enforce their rights. Next point, dispute settlements. Next point, dispute settlement. The agreements make dispute between the agreement makes dispute between WTO members about respect of about respect of the TRIPS obligation subject to the WTO dispute settlement procedures. The, the obligation under the agreement will apply equally to all member countries. It will applicable to all member countries. But developing countries will have a longer period to face them in longer period to face them in special pharmaceutical special certain special transition special transition arrangement operate in the situation where a developing countries where a developing country does not per, does not presently